And today we're going to be checking out this Easter egg filler kit. That's right, this is 144 pieces of little trinkets, gadgets, stickers, bracelets that you can put inside those Easter eggs for the Easter holiday and Easter egg hunting. Let's go ahead, point the camera down, take a closer look, and I want to show you exactly what you're going to get. All right, and here it is, all nice and laid out. A lot of this stuff is still in the packaging, like these little action figures like this. We have things like these little squishmallows. They're like the little squishy toys. We have rubber stamps that say Happy Easter and have bunnies on them. You have little rubber rings for the children, which is very cool. You have slinkies. You have things like slap bracelets. You have these little spring jumping toys that you push them down and they will hop off the table. Let's see if we can get one to do it. Try again. Just like that. Very cool. You have these little spiky rabbits. You have a big pack of stickers. You have spinning tops. Just all kinds of little trinkets and gadgets and gizmos that you can put inside those little plastic Easter eggs and hide them around the yard for the kids to go Easter egg hunting and looking for. It gives you quite a variety. You can fill a lot of eggs with these. You can put one item per egg if you choose, or you can put multiple just depending on the size of your eggs. Here's another cool little one right here. And it's like little animals, but they're little cars as well. And you can actually pull them back and they can drive off. How cool is that? So this is a great option for the Easter holiday and packing those eggs to make it just that much more fun. You get a wide variety of toys and trinkets and stickers, and it's just going to make it that much better. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.